Alright, good news, everyone. Smoke Kronk, the Lamer Gamer, here with Cooking from a Chair. Today we are making Dutch babies. Alright, and the ingredients you're going to need are 3 room temperature eggs. You're going to need a half cup of tightly packed flour, a 2/3 cup of room temperature milk, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of salt, and some butter. And what I do is I take all the ingredients and put them into a tall-sided pot and use my submersion blender. But if you don't have a submersion blender, go ahead and use a normal bowl and a whisk or a normal blender. Alright, and have a preheated oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. And on the stove, heat up a oven-safe cast iron pan or any cooking pan that is oven-safe. And once it's hot and ready to go, pour in the batter and shove it into the oven. If you want to make smaller Dutch babies for kids, for instance, you can butter ramekins or a muffin pan and then pour the batter into that. But what you want to do with those is you want to set those in the oven to pre-warm so they're pretty hot. Then you want it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes for a full-size one. Probably check it around 15 minutes for if you're making the smaller ones. And there you go. There's the Dutch babies. You typically add butter, powdered sugar, and lemon, but you can add anything you want, just like pancakes. You can add jelly, for instance. I'm using Marionberry jelly. Here I'm using Marionberry jam. Marionberries are local here in Marion County, obviously. Very tasty and very delicious. But you can dress them up any way you want to. For kids, you can use chocolate chips, whipped cream. Be as creative as you want to be with these. Everyone have a great day, and on you catch a side flip.